Hi there, my name is Lauren and I'm the coordinator of the Bay Area Climate Change Council. Today I'm going to be talking to you about heat pumps. You may have heard people talking about heat pumps as a low-carbon, energy-efficient alternative to a furnace or air conditioner. But how does a heat pump work? It's a single device that uses electricity to transfer heat to both warm and cool your home. Let's take a look at how they do this.
A heat pump for your home is made of two components, one indoor and one outdoor. If you already have a vent system in your home, this will be the indoor component. Otherwise, a separate indoor component will need to be installed. You might be surprised to learn that you already have heat pump technology in your home. It's in your fridge. A heat pump uses the exact same mechanism of refrigerants and electricity to move heat that your fridge does to keep your food cool, except in this case, it works on the scale of your entire home. Heat pumps cool your home in the summer and warm your home in the winter. Here's how they do this. During the summer, the pump takes heat out of the air inside your home and pushes it outside. First, the liquid refrigerant absorbs the heat from the air inside your home through the inside coil. The compressor then further heats the refrigerant into a vapor. The vapor is released outside through the outdoor coil, and as the heat leaves, the refrigerant returns to a liquid. The refrigerant is then cooled in the expansion device, and this releases cool air inside your home. From here, the cycle continues. During the winter, the pump moves in the opposite direction. First, the refrigerant absorbs heat from the air outside your home in the outdoor coil, and like we saw before, it's heated further in the compressor into a vapor. The vapor is then released through the indoor coil, warming your home. As the heat leaves, the refrigerant returns to a liquid. It's then further cooled in the expansion device and returns to the outdoor coil where the cold air is released. And from here, the cycle continues again. There are many benefits to using a heat pump. They offer heating and cooling in one device, they don't burn fossil fuels or contribute to climate change, and they are highly efficient when sized properly. But many people wonder if heat pumps work in cold climates like we get in Canada, and the answer is yes, they do. Several manufacturers offer cold climate heat pumps that work at temperatures as low as -25 degrees Celsius. That said, many people who opt for heat pumps will choose to keep their furnace as a backup heat source, and this is called a hybrid system.
For more information about heat pumps, visit our website, bayareaclimate.ca. And this is the final video in our home retrofit series. If you'd like to go back and rewatch any of them, you can find them all on social media and our website. On behalf of the Bay Area Climate Change Council, thank you for watching.